سیدہ خدیجہ بنت خویلد. Khadijah radiallahu anha was the daughter of خویلد ibn Asad. She belonged to the Quraysh tribe. Khadijah radiallahu anha was the first wife of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam loved her very much. The wives of the Prophet are called mothers of the believers, and Khadijah was the first mother of the believers. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam marriage to Khadijah radiallahu anha took place about 15 years before the beginning of the revelation. He was then 25 years old and she was 40 years old. She was a rich widow and ran a large trade of her own. It was Khadijah radiallahu anha who offered herself in marriage to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When she asked him to do business for her and found out about his good qualities, she remained deeply devoted to him and gave him moral support throughout her life. Khadijah radiallahu anha had great wealth, a large house in Makkah, and a number of maids. She was polite, affectionate, and of noble character. The Prophet ﷺ once mentioned that the best of the women of her life, her time, was Maryam, the mother of Prophet Isa alayhi salam, and the best of the women of her time was Khadijah bint Khuwaylid radiyallahu anha. Al-Bukhari. She was indeed a very worthy companion of the last Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He never thought of marrying another woman as long as she lived. The marriage proved to be one of love and happiness. All the Prophet's sons and daughters, with the exception of Ibrahim, who died as a little boy, were the fruit of this marriage. Khadijah radiallahu anha bore the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam two sons, Al-Qasim and Abdullah, who both died as a very early age. She also bore him four daughters. They were Sayyida Fatima, Sayyida Ruqayya, Sayyida Kulthum, and Sayyida Zainab radiyallahu anhunna. Khadijah radiallahu anha was the first woman to accept Islam.